A little bit more. That's good. That's good. Sorry. Good job, Cam. Is your sister feeding you, Carson? Good job. That's right. Good job, sister. You cleaning up? There you go. Good job. Cam, I'm going to let you babysit Carson. Want to? Good job. Are you going to change your stinky butts too? No, no, don't let her touch the spoon. She can have some water. Alright, you gotta keep feeding her, Cam. She's hungry. Goodness. Good job.